I got a new toy, and that's the Insta360 X4. Today we want to try something new, and it's all about the Insta360 X4, but also about my Piper clipped wing I rebuilt last year. And we have a beautiful weather today, no wind, very calm, and the atmosphere with the sunset is just beautiful. I love it. So let's go. But first we gotta get the plane ready.
And this takes only a few seconds, because I only need 3 screws to get the plane ready to fly. The Piper is scratchbuilds, so the whole plane consists of 2mm balsa wood. You can see a very detailed build vlog at my Instagram page. I have installed a special mount in my Piper, so the Insta360 gets screwed right in place, and it has a magical 8K resolution at 30 frames a second and up to 5.7K resolution at 60 FPS. So you can always be sure to get the maximum out of your footage.
So with a 6S battery and the camera, the plane is around 4.5 kilos ready to fly.
By the way, do you remember that I built this plane 6 years ago? Crazy how fast time goes by. If you want to rewatch the main flight of this plane, just click up here right and you get to see the video. The biggest advantage of such a light plane is that you can simply carry it around with one hand. The 6S battery powers everything. I installed a small BEC to convert the 6S 25 volts down to 5 or 8 volts for the receiver and the lights. But now it's time to start recording.
I mean, the camera itself is pretty light, but I had to move the battery a bit to the front so we have a perfect CG. But now, the cool thing is, you can also see me through the plane.
I mean, I flew this plane like 100 times, but I have never ever seen the inside of the plane, the cockpit view, and this is just amazing. I only have a few meters to take off because of the ultra light weight of the plane. 3-meter wingspan and under 5 kilogram takeoff weight gets me a pretty fast takeoff.
I mean, this plane is flying by itself, there's not much to do.
Because it's just so easy to fly, and especially today in the evening where there is no wind at all.
Let's go a bit higher so you can enjoy the view from up there. So I'm gaining some altitude. We have a height limit of 300 meters at this airfield, which I will totally not overgo. We're still below 150 meters now, so plenty of space left.
What an amazing view up here. You can see all the fields, the streets, even the small cities around.
Can you spot it? I'm sure now you can. What an amazing flight this was. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you also want to get an Insta360 X4, you can hit the link in the description and you can get a free bonus from me. See you next time. Bye bye. Ah shit, I better not forget you. Very calm wind, a very light. Shit.